Hi friends, it's Kelly and welcome to Mama Needs a Goal. I know I told you guys that I was done with my holiday shopping, but I couldn't resist. Anyway, I picked up another wreath from Walmart. I had shown this one to you in a previous haul and I decided to get another one. And then I picked up this garland here. It is 9-foot mixed natural garland. I have this currently and I wanted to get one more. But the reason why I ended up at Walmart was for this right here. You see that? I use these containers in my pantry all the time. And they had a Black Friday deal. They didn't have it in my store, so I had to order it online. And $25 for this. It is a set of 10 containers with lids, and they run, I believe the smallest one here is like $5.99 just for that small one. And I would just pick one or two up every time I'd go to Walmart just because they were, you know, they're not overly expensive compared to some of the other brands, but still, you know, when you use a lot of them. So I could not pass it up. So I did an online pickup, and then they had the garland left and this wreath left, and I think they said they had like 6 left in stock, and I really wanted to get another one, so I just went ahead and ordered it. And of course I had to go in the store to pick it up, so I ended up getting a few other little Christmas things. These are similar to the black and white plaid ones that I got. They have the little clip on them, so I picked up 3 of those. I believe these were $1, I'm going to say $1.48. So I picked up 3 of those, and then I just love these here. Let me focus in for you. They were, I believe, $1.98. Yes, $1.98. So I picked up 3 of those, and then I got myself this very large, pull out so you can see it, Cricut mat. I'd like to do a big sign, and my mats are just the smaller mats, so I picked up a larger mat to do a larger sign. And then I picked up a couple items for Thanksgiving. I picked up the herb seasoned Pepperidge Farm breadcrumbs for her stuffing mix for Thanksgiving. 2 jars of turkey gravy. Nobody really eats gravy that much in my family. So I've never really made it, so I just buy the jar. And then I love the Bruce's yams. I just think they have a really good flavor. I actually like them better than homemade. And then I just picked up that pasta salad. I make that and add some pepperoni and some mozzarella to it for hubby for just like a side dish with a sandwich. Just for like a side dish with a sandwich for lunch. And then tonight we're having Turkey Club sandwiches, so I like to buy the white square bread, so I picked up a loaf of that. And then I just picked up a loaf of wheat bread that my son asked me to get. So that is all that I purchased. It wasn't a very large shopping haul, but I thought I would share it with you anyway, because I know I said I wasn't going to buy any more holiday stuff, but really I really wanted to share this here. If they still have that deal, I will link it in the description box. I'm not sure if it's still available or not, but that was like a seriously good deal. $25 for 10 pieces. And when I say 10 pieces, I don't mean 5 containers and 5 lids. I mean 10 containers with lids. And it also says it has a scoop and labels to go with it, though I won't use the labels, but still, what an amazing Black Friday deal that I was able to get. Alright friends, sorry I'm not done. I thought I'd hop on real quick. I just took out the containers and I thought I would give you a quick overview of them. As you can see here, I got 4 of these smaller ones here, and then 1 of the larger ones in the back, 2 there that are a little bit taller, and then these 3 here and a scoop. I just thought you would want to see what they looked like. Thanks. So thanks so much for checking out this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. It really helps my channel out. And don't forget to hit the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I have a new video coming out. Thanks so much and have a great one, friends.